Okay, so auto get view branch glmat 4. So I guess I would return pair approach view. So approach view approach. Um, Hello Prime. I also want to learn coding, but I can't. You cannot learn coding. What is the your No, I'm Guy. Now, what is your obstacle to learn coding? view approach. So get view approach. So that's compiled. Get view approach. Scene. Get trans. So this is view approach, and should be view approach. It's probably const here and semicolon here. I have learned HTML but can learn CSS and JavaScript and majorly I want to learn C and C++. So what is the your main obstacle to learn programming language? It's like what you are stuck the most. It's like what you were able to do and on which kind of task you stuck. It's like then you were learning it, doing exercises, right? So move it here. Okay, so not sure if it's right values. So you want to build games, websites, etc. But like how do you learn, right? Do you do exercises? Like what does it mean I cannot learn JavaScript, for example? What does it mean? Like it means you not able to understand some concept, or like what does it mean exactly? It's like how do you do learning? So you read the book, you read tutorial, like you watch video, and then I assume you do some exercises, like you get some assignment to do some exercise, I don't know, print something on the screen or on console, and you're doing this exercise and you cannot do, or what does it mean you cannot learn? So maybe your struggle, you cannot find the good materials on YouTube to learn. Yeah, so I think the main way to learn programming language is to program. It's the same way as it's everywhere. If you want to learn cooking, you have to cook. If you want to learn how to write book, you have to write books. If you want to learn drawing, you have to draw. So in programming, you have to do programming to learn. No, I haven't tried OpenClaw. So this is too little. Let me try to move it in our direction. See what would happen. So I move it here. So it went to negative X, but it's
Does our company let you buy their equipment?
they have a budget. So if
What GPU?
I don't think GPU is possible, but like if you want to have some
Can't find good deal.
USB cable, or you can buy on Amazon and then reimburse it. Something small, I guess, like less than $500. Yeah, you can like there is some expensive keyboard, so you can buy like a $300 keyboard and reimburse it. This is because I'm using tablet. If you noticed, like my mouse is the tablet mouse. I'm using tablet to control my mouse. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, I thought it was a cast.
No, it's just a thing, so it's not grabbing on the tablet. So why this is too small? So -4. This is too small.
You think you could make a rock, paper, scissors app with only dictation?
Rock, paper, scissors app with only dictation.
Voice to text lol.
Look, it's make a rock, paper, scissors C++ application.
Oh, cheater.
Make a rock, paper, scissors C++ application.
Wow, diff voice. I miss my Filipino accent.
Miss your Philippine accent. Your choice. Rock. I lose.
Do you have any Filipino coworker?
I had one girl. Yeah. I think she was born in United States, but her mom is Filipino. Rock, paper, scissors. Only
Aunt
with
wanted
dictation.
you to come to our Halloween party, lol.
I mean, I did not get any invitation.
But make it voice command only.
Oh, you want the program by itself voice controlled. I see. Nah. Too much work.
Does our kids even do Halloween?
They don't. They kind of lose the interest. Look, they even did not want to go to Disneyland. Like, I lost so many Disneyland tickets. Like, I went by myself. Yeah, nobody want to go to Disneyland. That was crazy for me. I was thinking,
Because too much walking in line.
yeah, lines were kind of long. There is too much lines.
I like Universal though.
Universal. Yeah, Universal is good. How about Six Flags? Why? So it does move
Never been,
in
but I'm a
correct
scaredy cat.
direction. Scaredy cat.
Was the Disneyland food good?
I had shawarma. I think shawarma was oversalted a bit. You know, Avengers shawarma. I went not to Disneyland. What is it? California Adventures.
I remember as a kid I got bracelet and you got unlimited food.
Got unlimited food in Disneyland? No way. Anyways, what's going on here?
You had to buy this bracelet.
Unlimited food bracelet. That's crazy. -6. Why it's 6? Where is stupid 6s coming from? Okay, let me
NVM, it was Universal.
move it to up. Six as well. Where is this 6 coming from? .8. So move it down. .8. What the heck is this 6.8?
Do you use Ergo keyboard?
It is Ergo, yeah. Where is this 6 coming from? What if I move it? So I'll take this one, move it to the side. Oh, it's 13 now. Ah. Screen pause. W. Here we go. Rookie mistakes. It's -2. I don't think -2 is correct, while yeah. Maybe it is correct. It's +-2 now. This +-2. Yeah, that's one. I do not know why it's +-2 though. Anyways, it is +-2. And then screen pause time equals Vic 4 so for some reason I have to divide by 4. That's kind of strange, but anyways, UI W by 4, UI H by 4. And divide GLM. Long screen pause X. So let's see if scale is going to work. Set scale, original scales times So I need to get the mouse position. A mouse position. So it's gonna be mouse position minus screen position dot xy glm long divide by just like this. I don't know how to do it, but let's do it this way, I guess. Dot y. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Scale. Shoot. Init scale. Doesn't look right. What's going on? Mouse position, screen position. Log screen. Oh, wait a second. Should be multiply here. This is the bug. I do not know why it's from plus minus 2, but anyways. Looks like it's halfway, so I probably should divide my 2, maybe. Ah, okay. Oh, it's working. It's not matching. God damn it. Hmm. So I feel like it should be like this, but project view. Oh, wait a second. This is mismatch. Between UI. So this is the camera position, and then there is a projection WH. So this is the aspect. Let me ask Gemini to help me. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a blender. Okay. Let me see if Gemini would be able to help me. So, project game 0 Gemini. I am struggling with matrix math in this part of the code. Um, I will now apply the fixer to correctly calculate object screen position and ensure proper scaling based on mouse distance from the center. Is it the... It says it's fixed. Looks like it's fixed. Huh. Is it really fixed? What? Huh. It is fixed. AI is magic. How did you do it? You know, I did not believe it would be able to pull it off. It's greater than 0. It's less than or equal 0. Break. I don't think it did any changes. What kind of changes did it do? Oh, it did change it. Okay, so screen pause. Screen pause. Oh, okay, so it's... Okay. I did not make one extra step to accommodate for aspect ratio. Oh, it's unselecting. So let me... So mouse button down. Left mode. Mode none. Let's say if mode not equal mode none. Mode none and break. Yeah, that's way better. Okay. Cool. Can you implement rotation for me?
I'm writing my paper while I watch stream.
I'm writing my paper while I watch the stream. Your paper? I don't think I need Euler angles. It would compile without them, yeah. Fail. What the heck is this? AI is useless. Okay. I'll implement it rotation tomorrow. Yeah. Rotation is a bit interesting. Kind of not exactly know how to implement it. Anyways, it doesn't do anything. Scale is working. Moving
Lil's
is
asked,
working.
what kind of ARP are you making?
What kind of ARPG I'm making? Yeah, I can share it with you. So I'm kind of off the stream brainstorming what kind of ARPG I want to make. So I get the list of aspirational genders and what kind of I want to get from these genders. So it's casual, action RPG, looter shooter, story rich, survival, crafting, farming, action, adventure, open world, FPS. So what does it mean? So it's gonna be first person view game, should have gunplay feel, good gunplay feel, it's casual, so easy to play, really snappy controllers, like early FPS games like Quake or Doom. You know that the high frame rate and very responsive controllers. Game look simple, not overwhelming. The color schema is muted, low saturation, but because it's underground, there is a lot of lights, I guess, but it's not, you know, cartoonish view. It's moody, atmospheric, like a lot of bloom, a lot of fog, minimum loss of progression during the character dev. Essentially, I'm thinking, so like if so it's going to be dungeon like game and different levels of mobs, and you would have some checkpoints. So if you die in the like a level, mobs levels, let's say from 20 to 25, you're going to get teleported.
Where do you get the assets?
Back to level from 15 to 20, and no lose or nothing. You're going to lose nothing, like no inventory, no XP, no there is no lose of this sort of progression. So progression is only in time, so you have to traverse back to the place where you die. So it's just directional lose of progression. Where am I going to get assets? So it's going to be mixed, right? So I have a quite extensive list of assets. I mean, I can show you. It's only static meshes is I think about 3,000 different static meshes I have, and as well I'm going to model by myself.
Let's ask, does it really need a game editor if it is a procedural game?
It's going to be mix. So it's going to be mix. I'm going to have 2 kilometers by 2 kilometers pre-made area, and around this pre-made area I'm going to make procedurally generated dungeons. So here we go. I have all these assets, and if I just select static meshes, it is about 60,000 different static meshes. So we can scroll through them. There is a fancy stuff. So this is what I collected over years from asset store. So that there is always, and it's only static meshes. So 50,000. It's only static meshes. So wait a second. Let me highlight. What is it? Not the highlight. Tooltip. Enable tooltip false. This tooltip is annoying. So yeah, so there is a lot of different types of assets, and I can use them. They're royalty free for me. Different types of chests and stuff, and as well I'm going to develop my own assets, skeletal meshes as well. So there is a bunch of characters, but all characters I'm going to model by myself. I'm not going to use existing assets. Actually, I'm not sure. I maybe get some assets and modify by myself. Modify them. Yeah. So action RPG part. I think it's like I'll do leveling up, gearing up, quests. Of course, XP, and I'm going to add not only HP and mana, but other vital stats like energy, you know, like a survival stats, energy, hunger, thirst. So like if you're low on energy, you have to go to sleep, something like this. And it's going to have sort of areas with different mob levels, dungeons, and as well procedurally generated ones. So I have like a bit of kind of blocking out the level. So it's going to have like a starting point is going to be, where is it, platform, right? So starting point is going to be platform. So it looks like this, and this is underground, and this is going to be elevator. So people are going to come on elevator from here. So I guess I should probably move it here. Like this. So my idea was like to have a cube. Anyways, I did not implement any snapping, so it's kind of hard to position. Then it's going to have singing gardens, which is escape. I should disable escape. Singing gardens, so it's a job of the protagonist. So let's have sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's it. We are going to have a bunch of trees and some low-level mobs, and I'm going to add the farming here, so you would need to do farming with the trees, and maybe you will have like some area to grow stuff here, and you would be able to probably get some seeds from mobs and so on. Yeah. So there is like a crab looking like place. I do not know how it's called. Cube scrapyard, maintenance merchant spiral, cave, I think. Yeah, so like a cave, and this is, I'm thinking, so you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be start for procedurally generated dungeons, and you can go through this tunnel, and then it will have procedurally generated dungeons. And it's like deeper you go in the dungeon, like higher levels, and I was wondering to make it maybe like infinite. So deeper you go, higher and higher levels mobs you would face. Or maybe it's going to have some limit, but it's gonna take like, I don't know, months to reach the limit. We'll see. This is kind of my, overscoped idea for the game. Anyways, this is my my kind of not finalized ideas for the game. So it's action RPG, looter shooter. So I want to have high energy combat, not like slow movements. It has to be like fast movements, rapid fires, and like mobs should die like very easily, and a lot of mobs, and a bunch of different loots. For loot, actually, I'm thinking to minimize amount of, I don't know. So because like it has to have rarity system, so I need to think a little bit about like a loot system, but I want to add the crafting aspect. And I'm just wondering, because in crafting we have so many stuff, right? Like you have to have wood, you have to have stone, you have to have different types of metals, so there is so much for crafting, and I want to simplify craft. So maybe there is items, and like items can be different rarities, and also crafting elements, and I'm wondering to have like maybe 4 crafting elements, and then you can mix these 4 in different ways and craft something, and then you craft with something, you can mix again what you crafted, and you can have like a more and more complex stuff. But mobs would drop only 4 crafting items, crafting types of items. So for story reach, I'm not going to have too many quests, not too many cinematics, but I'm thinking to populate the game with different types of artifacts, which would tell the story of the why this world happened underground of the earth. Survival aspects, crafting, I already talked about crafting, and farming as well. So there is going to be merchants, maybe only 1 merchant or 2 maybe. I already talked about combat system, and yeah, it's there is no loading screen. It's going to be 1 open world, and I'm wondering dungeons maybe as well going to be persistent. So they are going to be procedurally generated but persistent. And there is a little bit of puzzles, but anyways, this is kind of my very fuzzy idea of the game. There is no game design document yet. It's just a little bit of ideas. So I'm going to make the commit. So move and scale are implemented. I'm going to save this thing. Implement.
This would take years to finish.
And scale. I want to finish it in 2 years. So
Implement move and sail.
currently I'm on day 6, right? So 650, right? 50 something days to go. Two years minus 6 days.
You gotta hurry up.
In days. 724 more days. I've got to hurry up. Look, I have so many days.
Oh, multiply into the.
Multiply into law. Multiply by pi, right? All estimates has to be multiplied by pi.
All estimates have to be multiplied by pi.
Always multiply your estimates by pi. It always takes longer than you expect, even than you take into account. Anyways, that's it for today. I made the commit. So, wait a second. That should go here. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.